Hey everybody, I'm Chef Dad, and this is a road snack. It's a long drive home, so we're going to stop and we're going to have a nice lunch. We're going to make smoked salmon sandwiches. So we're right here at Matsu Glacier. We're going to find a place to sit down and make our lunch. This looks like a pretty good spot to me. We're going to be making some jarred salmon sandwiches. This is the salmon that we jarred the other day. Look how beautiful it is. So we're just going to go in. I want all the oils. I want everything in there. We're going to go in with a little bit of black pepper. Smoked salmon is cured and tastes amazing. But we are going to be adding some mayonnaise and other things to that. So it's going to dilute the flavor just a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit of Chef Dad smoked salt. I'm going to go in with some green onions. This is the knife that I have. It's going to work perfect. It's the first time we've been here. We've drove past here a ton of times. Just never stopped. But this is just in our backyard. 4.5 hours from our house. So we got another 4.5 hour drive after this, but might as well get a good sandwich in. Let's get a few pickles out here. Looks like somebody ate some pickles. We may add a little bit of pickle juice, but we'll see. So now we're going to go in with some mayonnaise. Got to break up that salmon. Looked like a bone, didn't it? It's not. When you can, with these bones in it for the salmon especially, you can eat them. Do it right. Follow the instructions. This is for entertainment purposes only. I just ate that bone. It does break them down when you pressure can them, which is really nice because then you don't have to pull all the pin bones out. Using an awesome industrial strength plastic fork. Super nice. You got to do what you got to do. Work with what you got. But just get that salmon broke up. Get it coated with all this goodness. We planned on doing this on the boat, but it was too rough. There's too many things going on. And I didn't want to take the time to do that because we were fishing. Make sure you watch that video, but my hands are all covered in herring oil and squid and octopus. That is so good. So I don't need any of that pickle juice. That is perfect, just the way it is. You want that size? Open face. I just want to taste all of the dressing and none of the bread. I will do whatever you ask me to do. I will make her sandwich however she wants me to make her sandwich. It's really simple past this point. You put the spread on the bread. Did you like that? That was good. I'm so smart. This is like gold. Wasn't good enough for her.
Just evenly spread.
Wasn't good enough for her. Cheers. That's a road snack right there. That is so good. That salmon turned out perfect. We're going to finish eating and continue our drive home. YouTube picked that video for you. I picked that video for you. That's the subscription button. Push it. I need you. And come check out this amazing place that we live.